I have been using a wheat puller for years. Recently, I came across the Grampa weeder on Amazon, and it gave me the impression that it might be an easier tool to use. So, I decided to order one and compare it to the one I already had. I highly recommend watching the video to see for yourself if you think it is any better. The old one requires 4 steps: center, press, turn, and pull. However, the Grampa weeder only requires 3 steps: center, press, and lean. It requires less effort and also seems to provide a cleaner pull. Turns out, the Grampa weeder is not only easy to use but also faster to operate.